plus 4 1/4. Now, there are different ways you can do this. The way that I prefer you to do it to minimize mistakes is to convert your mixed number into an improper fraction. So to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, what do I need to do? Make sure no students are in the video, okay? What do I need to do? Cameron.
Multiply, then add.
Okay, so what am I multiplying and use vocabulary?
You're multiplying the whole number and the denominator.
So I multiply 3 times 5 and I get,
15.
and then what do I do?
You add the numerator.
And that'll give me,
16.
and I keep my denominator. So that'll be 16 over 5. Okay, right here, what do I do? Moody.
Multiply your whole times your denominator.
And that'll give me,
16
uh-huh.
plus
You gotta stay. You have to stay right now. No one in the video. All right, and that gives me what? 17 over 4. Okay, now, once I do that, what is my next step? So now I have 16 over 5 plus 17 over 4. What's my next step? What's the first letter in it? Least common denominator. And how do I find the least common denominator?
List your multiples of 5 and 4.
All right, so I'm listing my multiples of 5 and 4. Okay? Of 5. Let's go. First 5. 5.
10, 15, 20, 25.
Okay. First 5. First 5 of 4. Let's go. 4.
8,
12, 16, 20.
Okay.
Extra.
Can I? No talking, camera person. Okay. What is my least common denominator? 20. Okay. So now 20 now becomes my what?
Denominator.
It now becomes my denominator. So what's my next step?
Now so 4 times 5 is 20. So
Why am I doing 4 times 5? Why not 4 times 6?
because
Okay.
4 times 6 is 20.
So I did 4 times 5. What's next?
Now you have to do it to the numerator.
Why?
Because
What type of fractions am I setting up? Starts with an E.
Exponent.
Equivalent. So
Yeah.
this fraction would be equivalent to this fraction. All right, so I have 17 times 5. What's 7 times 5?
35.
35. Right, my 5 carry my 3. 5 times 1 is plus 3.
8.
All right, so that gives me 85. All right, what do I do here?
You do the same thing, but
Okay.
it's 5 times 4.
So if I do the same thing, I'm going to do 5 times 5.
No, you're going to do 5 times
5 times 4 here, and what here?
4. 5 times 4. 16 times 4.
16 times 4 here. So I have 16 times 4, carry my 2, that's 64. Okay, what's my next step?
Now you add them.
What am-
64 plus 85 plus the denominator.
Okay, so I add 64 plus 85, but I keep my denominator. So that gives me 9, and that gives me 14. So I have 149 over 20. Do I keep it this way?
No.
No.
Mixed number.
I turn it back into a what type of number?
Mixed number.
Because what is this?
It's improper fraction.
So how do I convert this to a mixed number? What am I dividing? Right here. Okay, so I do 20 divided into 149. If I struggle with my facts, with my division, what do I need to list?
Your multiples.
Multiples of what?
20.
Let's go.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 100.
Okay, we can stop right there. So, with 20 divided into 1?
No.
No, what goes over my 1?
X.
X. With 20 divided into 14?
No.
What goes over my 4?
X.
X. Okay, so which one of these multiples will get me closest to 149 without going over. 140. So that's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. What's 20 times 7? 20 times 7?
140.
That'll give me 140. Remainder 9. So here's where I notice some of us make mistakes. What's going to be my whole number? 7 is going to be my whole number. So this is my whole number. This 9 will become my what?
Numerator.
So this is my numerator. Okay? And this becomes my what?
Numerator.
Denominator. So, what is the very, 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 very last step? To see if you can what?
Simplify.
Simplify. In order to see if I can simplify, what do I need to list? My factors of 9 and... Okay, so my factors of 9, my factors of 20. 1 times 9, what else?
3 times 3.
3 times 3. Are there any other factors of 9?
No.
Okay, over here, 1 times 20. What else?
4 times 5.
Okay, 2 times 10. I heard 4 times 5. Are there any others? No. So now let's look at the common factors. There's a 1 here. There's a 1 here. There's a 9 here. Is there one over here? No. There's a 3 here. Is there one over here? No. So can I simplify this any further? No. So your final answer should have been 7 and 9/20. Now let me make a point. Converting your mixed number or your improper fraction back into a mixed number, that's a skill that we've already practiced with long division. Got it? All right. Good job, y'all.
Me.